12 simple money habits you need to become a millionaire. Build and track your budget around savings rate. The greatest opportunities for savings come from your largest expenses: housing, transportation, and food. These three categories alone combine to make up nearly 2/3 of the average American's household spending. While you work toward your ideal budget, start with intermediate steps such as getting rid of your cable subscription, ditching unused gym memberships in favor of home workouts, and canceling subscriptions you rarely use or that don't excite you. Align your financial vision with your spouse. Take it from someone who knows. It's awfully hard to reach financial goals if your spouse doesn't share them. It took years for my wife and me to agree on long-term financial goals. She wants to live large today. I want to build wealth through high savings and reach financial independence to retire young. Because my wife can see our net worth growing before her eyes and can see tangible progress toward our short, medium, and long-term goals. Automate all expenses. If you have to remember to pay all your bills on time every month, eventually some slip through the cracks. Good budgets start with your savings rate as your first and highest priority expense. Set a percentage of your after-tax income as your desired savings rate, and set up automated recurring transfers to your savings account or brokerage account. Schedule the transfers to take place every time you get paid. Prepare for turbulence. Unexpected bills and crises hit all the time. So frequently, in fact, that there's no excuse to fail to expect them. If it's not a sudden car repair bill, it's a home repair bill. If it's not a medical emergency, it's a job loss. And sometimes you get hit with several crises all at the same time. Everyone needs an emergency fund to tap into when these unexpected bills strike. Freeze your spending as you earn more. When the average person gets a raise, they immediately find a way to spend it. That could mean a larger home, a fancier car, or going out to dinner more often. Whatever the splurge, this habit means that no matter how much more money you earn, you never actually get richer. This effect has a name: lifestyle inflation. And if you want to build wealth, you need to consciously defend against it. Start with lifestyle design. Far too many people fall into jobs and careers out of convenience or expediency. And those jobs don't always give them the lifestyle they want outside of work or their desired work-life balance. Pursue your own unique goals, and make sure your career goals align with your broader life goals. Get a mentor. One way to invest in yourself is to get help from people who have walked your chosen path ahead of you. Find a mentor who does what you want to do, who's designed a lifestyle similar to the one you want. You don't necessarily have to spend money on a coach. Try micromentor.org for a network of free mentors across all fields who volunteer their time for free. Never lose touch or stop learning. It may sound hokey, but it's true. Leaders are readers. They never stop learning, never stop growing, never stop challenging themselves, and never lose touch with the world around them. That means staying on top of the most important news and current events, particularly in your niche and chosen career. Explore additional active income sources. You don't need a raise at your day job to earn more money. In today's gig economy, you can earn extra money immediately with a side hustle. Get in the habit of hard work. Growing up, my father always told me that working 9 to 5 was the bare minimum for survival. And it's what you do outside those hours that determines your success. Develop multiple passive income streams. While I sleep, I earn money from stock market dividends, rental properties, interest on private notes, and other indirect real estate investments such as fundrise. When you build passive income, you reduce your dependence on your job and give yourself more freedom to explore other options and take risks on new ideas. Invest regularly and automatically. Many new investors find themselves intimidated by investing, whether in stocks, bonds, real estate, or some other asset class. But nowadays, you don't need to be rich to get help in choosing an asset allocation, buying investments, and managing your portfolio. Best of all, they let you automate everything from transferring the money from your checking account to buying investments and rebalancing your portfolio. Pay all unsecured debts in full, every month. Prioritize your high-interest unsecured debts. That includes credit cards first and foremost. But it extends to personal loans and student loans as well. You already know to automate your bill payments. When you pay one debt in full, proceed to the next debt. Then the next, and the next, until you have no more unsecured debt.